This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 92 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue we are continuing the little finger. We're starting to put the cover plate on the outside of it. Infinite destinations. The Infinity Stones have always spelled trouble for the world, says Nick Fury. There we go. Quantum. Don't know. Yeah, Iron Man and Quantum. Good stuff. Nick Fury intends to contain all the Infinity Gem bearers. Alright, so anyone that's got an Infinity Gem locks up. Sounds fair. Go. Hercules. Right, so the little finger, this is what we're building. We've got our metal plate, our little cover. That goes over the top joint, and then the cover goes over the top of it. Nice and easy, won't take very long to build that at all. Ultimate Nick Fury, director of S.H.I.E.L.D. Yeah, we know Nick Fury. All good stuff. Definitely Samuel L. Jackson, isn't it? Did he always look like that? I don't think so. Sarah Pichelli, Magic Pencil, Italian cartoonist. Okay. Relaunch of the Fantastic Four in 2018. Fine. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this finger cover on. So we are aware of what we've got is the top joint. We've got a bag of screws, but I'm not even going to use those. I'm going to use the last one from this other packet from last time. And we're going to pop that over there. Just like that. Nice and easy. That one will go in and hold it in place. Now the trick with this bit is making sure that this screw is done up as tight as it possibly can, because otherwise that doesn't go down flush enough. So let's go backwards and forwards a few times to break up the thread and make sure it bites in properly. And we'll get in. I can feel the whole thing compressing in just a little bit more as well now. There we go. And that is not going any tighter than that. So that should now pop in there. If I get it lined up properly. And go flush. Yeah, there we go. So that now looks nice and flush with that. Joint all looks lovely. Nice. The only bit you can see the little plastic bit on the inside here. But that's, you know, only from certain angles, and you have to be looking pretty close anyway. I'm glad. I'm happy with that. Not so happy about the way this joint works all the time. It works fine going down, but going straight up, it doesn't always pop in place. It takes a little bit more force than I would have liked, although you can gently ease it, and then it's easier. It's probably that bit. Maybe that with a wheel. No, you don't want to wheel that, because it is actually, when it's located down the bottom there, it just needs to pull it round a little bit more, doesn't it? So yeah, there we go. That's that. That's good. Join me next time for the next joint. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.